My name is Najma Nur Azizah from Smp Yas. I would like to tell you a story. The title of the story is The Legend of Telaga Warna. Let's listen to the story. Long time ago, there was a kingdom in West Java called Kuta Tangguhan. Kuta Tangguhan was a peaceful kingdom. People live in peace and prosperity as led by a wise king, Surwatalaya Kuta Tangguhan, and his queen, Ratu Prabumana. But it was a pity that Prabu and his queen hadn't got any children yet. The queen often cried. She prayed to God every day, begging for a child. Then the king decided to go to the jungle to have meditation, to pray to God. Oh God, you have given everything for me, but you haven't given me a child. I want a child. Show me and my wife a miracle. Not long after the king's journey, God listened to the king's prayer. The queen got pregnant. They had never been so happy before. After 9 months of waiting, the queen gave birth to a baby girl named Rukmini Gilang. The king and the queen were so happy that they had a child. And so were the people of Kuta Tangguhan. They finally had a princess. Princess Rukmini Gilang grew to be a beautiful girl. The king and the queen loved the princess so much. They gave everything to the princess. But the princess became a spoiled girl and having a bad attitude. Rukmini Gilang would turn to be 17 years old. She would celebrate her birthday. All people in the palace were busy to prepare all the things. They also prepared a present for their beloved princess. They collected beautiful gems and gave them to the best goldsmith to make them to be a beautiful necklace. Ooh, it must be a wonderful necklace. Don't you agree? The day came. It was a magnificent party. The king and the queen came with the princess. The people were so fascinated to see the princess grow even more beautiful. Finally, it's the time to give the present to the princess. Someone handed a well-crafted wooden box to the king. The king opened the box and pulled out a very beautiful necklace that gleams various colors. Wow, it was a lovely necklace, said the king amazed. The king gave it to the princess. Princess Rukmini only stared on it. She's not enthusiastic to receive it. Come, my daughter, take this beautiful necklace and put it on. Ask the king. Don't let them down. They made this for you because they love you. Don't you see, father? It's the ugliest necklace I have ever seen. I don't want to wear it, yelled the princess. She took the necklace, but then she slammed it to the ground and it scattered around. The king, the queen, and everyone in the party was surprised to witness what the princess had done. Tears began to come out from the queen's eyes. Then the king and everybody in the party also began to cry to see that their beloved princess doing such a cruel thing. Then something happened. The earth was crying too. Suddenly, a spring emerged from the ground. It became a pool of water and flooded the palace. And soon, it became a big lake. the lake finally sang the kingdom. Nowadays, people call the lake Telaga Warna or Lake of Colors. On a bright day, the lake is full of colors. The colors comes from shadow of the forest. They are from plants, flower, and sky around the lake. But some people believe the colors are from the princess necklace. Right now, we can still see the lake. The lake is located in Puncak, Bogor. The lake is well known as Telaga Warna. Hopefully, you enjoy the story. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.